Hi my dear students, welcome to Lakshman Biology. In this video, I will explain courses in which you can join through CUCET 2021. These are UG courses. After PUC, you can do UG courses. That courses are, first before going to see about the courses, we will see the columns which are present in this table. First of all, serial number. It is the serial number. Next, courses. In the second column we can see the name of the course that you can join. Next, in third column, the program name or subjects which are present in the main subjects which are present in that particular course. And in fourth column we can see the university name. Actually 12 different central universities are participating in CUCET 2021. In fourth column we can see the university name. In that particular university you can get these courses. Next, then last, test paper code name. Remember students, first column is serial number, second column is course names, third column is subjects, and fourth column is the university which offer that particular course, and fifth column is test paper code. Okay, first course number 1, BVOC. The subjects which are present in this course are biomedical sciences, which is offered by CUHAR. The university names they have given in shortcut. CUHAR means Central University Haryana. Then second one, BVOC Industrial Waste Management. This course also offered by Central University Haryana. BTech Computer Science and Engineering. That course also offered by Central University Haryana. BTech Electrical Engineering, Central University Haryana. BTech Civil Engineering, Central University Haryana. BTech Printing and Packing Technology, Central University Haryana. Next, Integrated BSc MSc. Integrated BSc MSc means if you join in BSc, you can continue up to completion of your MSc, means UG with PG. The subjects, main subject is botany. That is offered by Central University Jammu. JAM means Jammu, Central University Jammu. Next, Integrated BSc MSc Zoology, Central University Jammu. Integrated BSc MSc Chemistry means you can get another subjects also. There are another subjects also in these courses, but main subject is if you integrated BSc MSc Chemistry, Botany, Zoology, like that. It is offered by Central University Jammu. Integrated BSc MSc Physics, which is offered by Central University Jammu. BTech Electrical Engineering, which is offered by Central University Karnataka. BTech Electronics and Communication Engineering, which is offered by Central University Karnataka. BSc with Physics, Chemistry and Mathematics, which is offered by Central University Karnataka. Integrated MSc Biochemistry, which is offered by Central University Rajasthan. See, here you can see the paper code UIQP01. This is the paper code for all these courses. You can know about this later. Next, integrated MSc Biotechnology offered by Central University Rajasthan. Integrated MSc Chemistry offered by Central University Rajasthan. BSc Chemistry Central University, it may be Jharkhand or something. Next, integrated MSc Computer Science Central University Rajasthan. Integrated MSc Environmental Science Central University Rajasthan. Integrated MSc Mathematics Central University Rajasthan. Integrated MSc Microbiology Central University Rajasthan. Integrated MSc Physics Central University Rajasthan. Then integrated MSc Physics Central University Rajasthan. Integrated MSc Statistics Central University Rajasthan. Integrated BSc BEd. There is a few courses with the BEd combination. BSc BEd combination means once if you join in BSc degree, then you can study there only up to completion of your BEd. Central University South Bihar. Integrated MSc Chemistry Central University Tamil Nadu. Integrated MSc Life Sciences Central University Tamil Nadu. Integrated MSc Mathematics Central University Tamil Nadu. Integrated MSc Physics Central University Tamil Nadu. Integrated BSc BEd Central University Tamil Nadu. BSc Textiles Central University Tamil Nadu. Next, integrated MSc Chemistry. Integrated MSc Chemistry Central University Haryana. Integrated MSc Mathematics Central University Haryana. Integrated MSc Physics Central University Haryana. BSc Honors means up to here, that is the paper code. First paper code is first 33 courses paper code is separate. From 34 to paper code is separate, means up to 33 those are science related courses, purely science related courses. For that examination pattern is different, and from 34 the paper code is different and examination pattern is different for the question number 34 to remaining. Okay, see, BSc Honors Economics Central University Andhra Pradesh. BA Honors Political Science Central University Andhra Pradesh. BOVC Tourism and Travel Management Central University Andhra Pradesh. BOVC Retail Management and IT Central University Andhra Pradesh. BA Honors German Studies Central University Gujarat. BA Honors Chinese Central University Gujarat. Integrated dual degree BA MA means once if you join in BA you can complete MA also. Social Management Central University Gujarat. BOVC Retail and Logistic Management Central University Haryana. BVOC Retail Management Central University Jammu. BVOC Banking and Financial Services Central University Jammu. BVOC Tourism Management Central University Jammu. Integrated BA BEd Central University Jammu. Diploma Beauty and Wellness Central University Jammu. Diploma Beauty and Wellness Makeup Central University Jammu. For all those courses the paper code is UIQP01. For these courses the entrance exam pattern is different. Next, BA English Central University Karnataka. Central University Jharkhand, not Jharkhand, that is something I forgot. BA Economics Central University Karnataka. BBA Business Administration Central University Karnataka. BSc Psychology Central University Karnataka. BSc Geography Central University Karnataka. BSc Geology Central University Karnataka. Integrated MSc Economics Central University Rajasthan. Certificate course Beauty and Wellness Central University Jammu. BA Honors Korean Central University something. Okay, these are the different courses up to 64. From 34 to 64 the paper code is UIQP01, and from 1 to 33 the paper code is UIQP01. Now we will see the examination pattern. examination pattern for UIQ P01 and UIQ P02 means from the students who want to join any course from question number 1 to 33, the syllabus is different from the 33 to 64. See, here you can see the syllabus. The students who want to join in up to 33, from first to 33 courses, the question paper pattern is this one. Means there is a 125 questions in question paper, that are part A 25 marks. You can get 25 questions. You can get these 25 questions from English, general knowledge and numerical ability. And part B, there is 100 questions. Part B, 25 questions from physics, 25 questions from chemistry, 25 questions from mathematics and 25 questions from biology. Then for the paper code, means from 34 to 64 courses, the paper code is UIQP02. Those will get 100 questions from English, numerical aptitude, data interpretation, analytical skills, reasoning, general aptitude, general knowledge. This is the examination pattern. There is a negative marks. If you, there is a negative mark is 0.25. For each wrong answer they will deduct 0.25 marks. Means if you write 4 wrong answers, they will deduct 1 mark. That is about the examination pattern, courses and examination pattern. If you like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel Lakshman Biology. Thank you.